OSRAM offers accessories such as adapters, caps and control units for the installation of LED lamps. For some vehicles, these are necessary. Why can adapters be necessary? Some headlights already require adapters for the installation of conventional lamps. However, in many cases, these adapters are not compatible with the dimension of LED lamps. So in this case, a special adapter for LED is necessary. Caps may be required, as some headlights are very compact and some LED retrofits have a larger dimension. A control unit device, such as a CAN bus or an error canceller, is necessary if an error message appears on the dashboard of the vehicle. This error message is caused by a lower power consumption of the LED. With the OSRAM products, this error message is avoided. If you need an accessory, it is listed in the vehicle list.